We are pleased to show you the 2020 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, tires, front performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.